Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. So in this video guys, I'm going to show you how you can fix the error. There was an error, please try later. So if you are getting this error on your iPhone, then I'm going to show you how you can fix this. So let's get started the video. Let's fix this issue on your iPhone and iPad. So to fix this, open your App Store, then click on user icon, click on your Apple ID username, then click on country region, and you will get this change country or region. Click on it. Now scroll down. Now select the country where are you living. Now click on agree. Then select the none option. Then enter the required information like billing address. You can enter the fake one, it doesn't matter. Then enter your phone number. Once you have filled the required information, then simply click on next. Then click on done, and App Store will redirect to that country. Now you can search for that app, and now you can download app. You won't get this error. So as you can see, now there is no error. So hope this video helps you. So if it does, then leave a like and comment. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.